Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Decide your target system voltage clearly before buying batteries today. Choose 12V or 24V depending on your inverter and load. Calculate capacity by summing amp hours. Aim for 100 Ah or more for typical setups. Select a battery chemistry that fits your needs and budget. Choose lead acid, AGM, gel, or LiFePO4 for cycle life and weight differences. Gather a battery management system, or BMS, rated for the pack voltage. Buy a charge controller sized for battery voltage and solar input current today. Include a 50A fuse and 2 AWG cable for most 12V setups. Arrange batteries on a non-conductive tray with space for ventilation around each unit. Wire batteries in series for higher voltage or in parallel for higher capacity, depending on your plan. Use 2 AWG cable for 12V heavy runs and choose thicker cable for higher current. Install the BMS directly on the battery pack and connect its sense leads to each cell group precisely. Mount the 50A fuse at the battery positive terminal within 5 centimeters of the terminal. Keep all connections clean, tight, and protected with insulating boots or heat shrink. Program the charge controller and the BMS to match your battery chemistry and voltage. Set bulk, absorption, and float voltages correctly for lead acid or LiFePO for specifications. Test the complete system using a multimeter and apply a 12V or 24V load bank to verify voltage sag and current flow. Check the BMS alarms, cell balance status, and temperature sensors during the test run. Label all positive and negative runs and keep a simple wiring diagram nearby for troubleshooting. Schedule maintenance to check connection, tightness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.